Everybody is looking for the next big thing in tech. Well, it's here. AI is transforming everything from healthcare to industry. In healthcare, AI is a game changer. Imagine early disease detection through advanced algorithms, personalizing treatment plans, and even assisting in complex surgeries. It's not sci-fi anymore, it's happening now. Education is also being reshaped. AI-powered tools provide personalized learning experiences. Think of virtual tutors that adapt to each student's pace, making learning more effective and engaging. It's education like never before. And in the industrial sector, AI is boosting efficiency and innovation. From predictive maintenance to optimizing supply chains, AI helps businesses save time and reduce costs. Automation and smart analytics are the future of industry. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a revolution. It's transforming sectors, driving progress and creating endless possibilities. Stay tuned for more on how AI is shaping our tomorrow. Ready to embrace the AI revolution? Hit that like button and subscribe for more insights.
Thanks for watching. Share, like, comment and subscribe.